I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert, and it's sexy season, baby.
In the last 6.5 months, I've lost over 100 pounds. Girlfriend, over 100 pounds. I'm at the finish line, okay?
I'm grateful to Kenya. I've lost a total of 75 pounds.
So if you want this to be the sexiest summer of your life, get the super stomach shredder membership from KenyaCrooksNetwork.com right now. You know what? If I could, let me shout out my brick of the day. My brick, Stacy, she's here in Douglasville, Georgia. She's down 30 pounds, y'all. 30 pounds. Pooch is just shrinking. Everything is getting smaller. And I'm going to tell you more about her later on, but I need to celebrate Stacy right now. 30 pounds gone, y'all. What's going on? What's going on? I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert. Look, and I'm going to give you a move of the day, and I'm going to give you some life homework because I got to make sure you're good. Look, this is how I'm going to start this thing off too. Look, because I love you, and I want you to buy the whole store out today, this is what I'm going to do. Go to KenyaCrooksNetwork.com, and when you get a whole bunch of stuff that totals over $71, enter coupon code KC-25, KC-25, and basically, guess what I'm going to do? I'm taking off 25% off your order, okay? So save 25% when you hop in the cart, order a whole bunch of stuff because 2020 is coming, and I'm going to help you dominate, shut down rooms, breaknecks, drop jaws, because again, I build bodies that attract so you'll never have to chase ever in life. Again, I train superstars and I'm going to help you look like one too. So, you say, Coach, I hate my pooch. I don't want to take my pooch into 2020. See, what I need for you to do is, I need for you to serve some papers on your stomach. I need for you to go from good to what? So I'm going to give you a move that's going to help you do that. So, this is what we're going to do. Let me scoop back a little bit so you catch the whole thing. What you're going to do, you're going to hold it here, okay? Boom. So you're going to lay it back here. Boom. Come back up. So it's touch knees. Boom. Back on the earth. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. Now, if you would, give me 2 rounds of those. Give me 2 rounds of 20. And if you got me, say I got you, coach. Also, too, text me at 313-131. Hit me with hashtag KCWEBINAR, okay? KCWEBINAR, okay? And I'm going to send you a text because I'm going to do a webinar on Monday at 8:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time so you can work out with me. So, again, text me 313-131 using the keyword KCWEBINAR, okay? That's what's up. Now, live homework. Now, I was talking about Stacy earlier because Stacy had lost 30 pounds. She has lost 30 pounds. And she actually lives in my neighborhood, saw the commercials, and she was like, Kenya, I need for you to help me. I see you all the time. And I'm like, okay, cool. I'm thinking she talking about TV. She's like, no, you live in my neighborhood. And I'm like, oh, wait. If I live in your neighborhood, you really have no excuse on why you haven't joined yet. And then she was like, well, wait a minute. I'm having issues with my brain. I'm having to have surgeries, But the biggest thing that's really, really keeping me away is my thyroid, because I got thyroid issues. They told me I would never be able to lose weight because of this thyroid. Ain't that right? And I told her straight up, I'm like, look, I'm stronger than your thyroid. I'm stronger than the thyroids that I've dealt with before you. and will be stronger than the thyroid's after you. So she was like, now you sure you can help me because my issues are like really, really deep, and I'm not sure if I can. I'm like, Stacy, you got to challenge your lies. And that's your homework for today. I need for you to challenge your lies, okay? I'm too old. I'm too young. My time has passed for me to be able to do this. I'll never be able to get this job. I'll never be able to land this relationship. You got to start checking your lies because that's what they are. At some point, you got to say, there's certain things in my life that's not applicable to today. Maybe it was cool back then, but shoot, times are changing daily. So maybe the stuff that I thought, you got to start challenging your thoughts. Maybe some of the stuff that I learned before are not applicable to today's standards. That's how you have to think of things. You got to start challenging those lies. See, she challenged those lies that the doctors told her, and she's lost 30 pounds. And as you saw in the picture before, looks amazing. But had she believed those lies, she never would have got to this point. She still would have had her pooch. She still would have been married to her pooch. She still would have been married to them love handles on both sides. Boom! Just like boom! And so now she looks awesome. She looks amazing. And she's ready to even take it to the next level. But again, she never would have got there had she believed those lies. So again, the challenge. Challenge yourself. Challenge those lies. And one more thing before I let you go. Understand that everything that you're going through, no matter if it's financial, no matter if it's doubts, fears, or whatever, look, whatever you're currently going through and struggling with right now, stop worrying about that. At some point, you got to let your faith be stronger than your fears because, again, you got two options. You got two of them. Either you can live with your faith or you can live with your fears. Now, the cousins of fear causes anxiety. It causes stress. But faith, the cousins of faith is belief. I'd much rather hang out with belief and faith and all of those other beautiful words that accompany it. I'd much rather hang out over here than hang out over here with doubt, stress, mess, chaos, and all that other good stuff. So again, whatever you're going through, okay, just go on through it. Have faith that everything is going to work out in your favor, and have faith that no matter what, you're going to come out victorious. Don't you always? I'm just saying. So you got your move up today. You got your coupon code KC-25 to get 25% off everything at KenyaCrooksNetwork.com. You ready. And then you hit me at 313. You text me at 313-131 with the keyword KCWEBINAR. Boom! And you good. Because I'm going to shoot you a text just to remind you that we're doing a live ab session on Monday. So that's what's up. Love y'all. Let's go out here and let's dominate because 2020 is coming. And I'm ready for you to divorce not only your pooch, your love handles, and the body parts you hate, but I'm ready for you to divorce your fears, your anxieties. I need for you to just divorce all of that stuff. Serve yourself. Them papers, anything that's not serving you, that's not helping you, it's time to wave it away. Just like we're going to do for your pooch. So that's what's up. Love ya!